Welcome back to Maintenance with Mel. On today's episode, we're going to talk about how you can maintain your asphalt driveway. Okay, so one of the things that I see written up on home inspection reports all the time is repairs that need to be done to an asphalt driveway. I have one, so I want to show you what we did to help maintain our asphalt driveway. Number one, you want to make sure that you're cleaning it at least twice per year. I know, clean your driveway, but it is important to keeping it in tip-top shape. Anytime you get like an oil stain or anything from your car, you want to make sure you get a degreaser, some water, and take care of that right away, as it can actually impact the integrity of the asphalt and cause it to start breaking down. So you want to clean it at least twice a year. The other thing is that you want to make sure that your seal coat, you're doing that every 2 to 5 years, depending on the maintenance schedule that is needed for your driveway. Our driveway was really dry. We're going to need another seal coat probably in the next year or two. But you can see, doesn't it look so much better? The other thing that we were also contending with is we had cracks, we had a giant hole behind one of our sheds. And so when we had someone come out, they said, you need to make sure you take care of that right away. You do not want water getting into your cracks, which can then freeze and cause an even bigger problem in causing your asphalt to break down. So all of these little things that we see, we want to make sure that we're taking care of them right away. We want to keep our asphalt clean. We want to make sure we have a seal coat done every 2 to 5 years. And if you see cracks or holes starting to develop, make sure you reach out, get a contractor, or you can do it yourself if you have the mind, and make sure you take care of those right away. It's very important that we keep on top of our home maintenance. I'm dedicated to making sure my driveway stays in tip-top shape, so make sure you follow me on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Maintenance with Mel tips.